Let's see how to make a transparent text effect. First of all, you have to select your image subject. You can just click on select subject, or you can go to select and click on subject. This will automatically select your image subject in just a few seconds. After that, press Ctrl Z and now select the text tool and write here your text. Highlight your text and go ahead and customize your text color and your text font family. Then click on OK. Select the selection tool and increase your text size just like this. Click on done. Now duplicate the text layer and right click on the upper text layer and click on convert to shape. And then in this tool section, select the rectangle tool and fill, disable fill, and select a stroke color. I'm selecting the black color for example, and increase the stroke size. After that, you have to put this text layer under this layer, and here we have a transparent text. Now select your both text layer and then link them just like this, and select the upper text layer, and you can now go ahead and move your text position just like this. So that's how you can actually add transparent text effect very easily. Thanks for watching.